Hello everyone, welcome to Nicks and Needs. Today we are going to talk about few things to consider while creating YouTube videos. One of our friends, Miss Ashwini, she had suggested this topic and here we are. Now if you want us to film any particular topic, you can mention that in the comment box and we will pick that topic in the coming weeks. First and foremost, I want to tell you some technical things to keep in mind. We can call it LCS, which means lighting, camera and sound. These things are very vital because viewer experience is somewhat dependent on these controllable factors. First, let's talk about light. If you're a fresher, I don't recommend you go and invest so much money on your lighting gears, buying expensive stuff. But it is advisable that you can use a decent lighting setup. Try to use as much light as possible from wherever you shoot. Your video will look attractive to your audience. This will also encourage your audience to stay longer in your videos and thereby you get increased watch hours. I used to make these mistakes when I used to film videos because I was never been so much careful about lighting. And few of my friends, they came up and they told me that you need to improve your lighting. And then I started working on it and it has got serious effects on my YouTube videos. How many of you have lighting gears and which brands do you guys use? If you don't mind, you can mention that in the comment box because I'm trying to upgrade my lighting setup. Alright, now secondly, let's go to the second thing, that is camera. Camera could be any camera you have. It is not mandatory that you have the best camera in the world. Smartphones are smarter today and they are equipped to give you best quality footages for your videos. Keeping yourself or your subject in focus is the key. A blurry or unprofessional image will tempt the audience to skip the video and move on. No one is going to do us a favor by watching our video. This is my experience. However, I could be wrong also. Make sure you know everything about focusing a camera and be in focus. If you want to know more, comment on the comment box. I'll make a separate video on the topic. Thirdly, sound quality. Sound quality is very important. Many of us underestimate this factor, but it has got a big influence on our video performance. If you're serious about YouTube video creation, it is worth investing a good quality mic. What I use is a Rode microphone. I did a video about this mic, and if you want to watch this video, you can click on the link that is popping up above now. And I'll mention that in the description column as well, so you can find it from there. If you're talking to your audience, don't put background score too loud. You may not be audible for your audience. So it is so annoying that your background music is playing so loud and nobody can hear you. Even if you have the best video in the world with the poor sound performance, it may annoy the viewers. Always make sure your sound quality is at its best. If these things are taken care, I would say 60% of the job is done. Now what is next? Now let's jump into the second part of this video. In order to make a video, you need an idea or a topic. Invest quality time in finding good topics that are relevant and searchable. Learn your audience and understand their likes and dislikes. YT Studio, that means YouTube Studio Analytics, is a great tool. It will give you a lot of insights. Learn from there and understand the age group of your audience and their preferences. More than what we like as creators, try to deliver what your audience like. Delivering your content in a presentable way also plays a very important role. You need your audience to stay in and watch your video till the end. That's what we all want. We don't want any of them walk away. Content creation is a process and you cannot master it overnight. I'm also learning quite a lot with every single video I create. Every video should have a value to deliver or a purpose. If there isn't anything, why would someone watch a video? Very simple, isn't it? Nobody would watch a video if that is not going to give them any sort of value. Try to create that value so that someone can benefit from your videos. Work hard and be consistent. Success is gonna be yours one day. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, my name is Nitin Philip and we upload videos every Wednesday and Friday. In this channel, we touch upon lifestyle, few product reviews and our travel experiences. Please subscribe our channel if you think it's gonna add value. If you have liked this video, never hesitate to give us your like. It gives us a lot of motivation and encouragement to do more. Drop your comment in the comment box because those feedbacks will definitely help us to grow. Thank you for watching. We will see you soon with another amazing subject. Till then, you guys stay safe, stay happy. See ya. Cut.